Well, hello, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I sure did. I hung outside in the garden as much as I could. So my hands are all dirty from working outside, and I even have a band aid from poison ivy. So I hope that you guys are staying safe and washing your hands when you're done working outside so you don't end up with poison ivy like Mrs. Vandemark. Anyway, all right, well, let's go ahead and get started. Today, I thought we would talk about sorting. Before we begin, let's go ahead and write it on the board, just like we do in the classroom. So I want you to help me. I'm going to pull this camera forward. I'm going to do my best to write on this whiteboard, even though it's different than our normal whiteboard. Let's see, the first sound I hear in the word sort is S. Yeah, that's an S. S. O. Oh, that letter got to say his name. So. Ooh, Robbie Rabbit says T, t, t. Oh, that's Timmy Tiger. T, t. Sort. There it is. Sort. If I want it to say sorting, I have to add the ing ending. I wonder if you can remember which letters say ing. I, I, I. Oh, I, I, I. I, N, G. Good job. I hope that you remembered ING says ing. So now our board says sorting. All right, so I'm going to lay on my belly here because I'm working. Here's my little eraser if I make a mistake, and that's okay. I would love it if you guys would do this sorting activity with me. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil or something to write with. If you have a whiteboard and a marker, you can use that. But if not, just get a piece of paper. Easy peasy. And you're going to need a bunch of things to sort. So I grabbed Legos, lots and lots of Legos. I thought these were good objects to sort. So pause the video and go get your paper, your pencil, and your objects to sort. And come right back. All right, so hopefully you have your 3 objects that you need, and it's time for us to start sorting. I have to make a really big decision. I have to decide how I want to sort these objects. Well, I am noticing I have some different colors and I have some different shapes. It's important to know that you can sort any way you want, but you have to pick one type of, one attribute in order to start sorting. So I am going to start sorting by color. I feel like that's an easy one to start with. So let's see here. I think I'll put the greens over here. So I'm going to start pulling greens. And there's some greens. And let's see here. Oh, I see some reds. So I'm going to pull some reds out. There are the reds. Let's see. Oh, I see lots of black Legos. Put these in the middle. And as you can see, these Legos are different shapes and different sizes. So I could have sorted by size. I could have sorted by shape. I chose to sort by color. But for right now, this is fine. But you can pick however you want to sort your objects. But you pick one attribute. So I chose color. All right. So now that I have them sorted, now I get to count and see which one has the most, which one has the least. And I can even practice talking about how many more. So I'm going to go ahead and start with green. So in order to start with green, I'm going to write green on the board here. Oh, got to write on my belly. This is going to be a challenge. All right, that says green. And how many green do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 green. And next up, I'll do my red. I bet you remember how to spell red. R-E-D. Red. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 red. Down, around, and put on a hat. Down, around, and put on a hat. All right. Next up is the black ones. B, b, o, a, k. There's 2 blends in there. There's a BL blend and a CK blend. All right. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate to make the numeral 8. All right, and the very last one, these are gray. G, 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 A. There's gray, and I have a bunch of gray. Check them out. So I gotta count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? There are so many. I'm gonna make them in groups of 5. That'll make it easier to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh man, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, whoa, and 36, 37. Holy cow, there are so many. I better double check. But I can speed count this time because I can skip count by 5s. So I'm going to go ahead and skip count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, I can't go up to 40 because there's only 2 more. So I'm going to stick 35 on my head and go up. Ready? 35, 36, 37. Wowzers. 37. Wow, that's amazing. So in just that big old pile of Legos from earlier, look at it. Now I have them all sorted. I chose to sort by color and I counted. Now let's see. I have more gray. I have the most gray. So I'm going to write most. Most. I have the most gray. And which one do I have the least of? I bet you know. Which one is it? R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. You're right. Least. Oh, this is going to be hard to write. Least. Oh, that got really sloppy. Okay, so I have the most gray. I have the least red. Look at that. Now, let's be sneaky. Let's pretend that I take 1 black away. 8 take away 1. 8 take away 1. 8 fingers take away 1. Oopsies. How many are left? 8 take away 1. I have 7 left. You're right. I bet you figured that out. So now I have 7 black and I have 7 green. Could I make a number sentence? First of all, I could do my 8, take away 1, and how much is that? That was 7. What can I say about the black and the green? Can you think of something? I bet you figured it out. I have the same amount. 7 equals 7. 7 black equals 7 green. Look at that. Look at all this math. And I didn't even think I was going to be doing math. I thought I was just playing with Legos. But guess what, guys? You can do lots and lots of math just by using your toys that you have at home. You can use the words like most, least, equal to. You can talk about taking numbers away. You can talk about adding numbers. You can talk about the difference. Let's see. How many more green do I have than red? Oh, that's our doorbell. I have how many more? Well, let's see. I'm going to line them up. I have, here are my 5 red, and here are my green. I'm going to partner up. Remember when we did line dancing and everybody got a partner? Oh, that was so much fun. Okay, so I'm going to give every red Lego a partner. And let's see if there are more green or more red. So far, so good. And that little guy, he gets a partner. Oh no! Look at that! Oh, I think we were square dancing, not line dancing. Anyway, when we were square dancing, everybody needed a partner. But look at that! Oh no! These 2 guys didn't get a partner. That's because there are more green than red. The big question is, how many more? How many more green than red? Think about when we were square dancing. Every number or everybody needed a partner, right? Well, just like this. So look closely. How many more green than red? Did you say 2? Good job. You're right. Now we can make that a number sentence. We can say, let's see, there are more green than red. That says 5 is less than 7. Or I can change it. Where's my official eraser? I can change it to say 7 is greater than 5. Look at that. So 7 is greater than 5, or 5 is less than 7. Can we do a number sentence with an addition sign? I bet you can. 5 plus what equals 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus how many more to get to 7? I bet you're thinking. Did you figure it out? That's right. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Check it out, you guys. You are so smart. Look at all that math. And you did all of that math just playing with some Legos. So don't you think you could find something in your house that you could sort, and then you could write numbers in sentences and use the word more or less or most or least or equal to. I can't wait. So I'm going to send out a Flipgrid, and I hope that you guys can show me what you did, what you sorted, how you sorted it, and what number sentences you came up with. Thanks, everybody. I miss you, and I can't wait to see your videos.